In today's class, we are going to create a TMG, that is Table Maintenance Generator. TMG helps us perform CRUD operations on table entries without any coding. So let's look at the steps to create a TMG, and along with that, we will also create how to create a transaction code. We will also see in this lecture. So first go on SC11. I have actually already created. So this is a custom table, that is Z employee master. Click on change. See, these are the field, that is MND key, employee ID, title, first name, last name, DOB and department. Here I have done one entries only. So see, first go on utilities, table content, display, do F8. Only one entries. Employee ID is 100, title Miss, F name Aditi, last name Pandey, DOB this one, department ACE. I have only done one entry. So when you want to create a TMG, then the steps are follow. First go on utilities, go on table maintenance generator, and your table view name or table or view name already automatic come here. So you need to give a authorization group, that is ampersand NCA ampersand. We will discuss later about the ampersand and function group. So and after that you need to give a function group, same as you can give as your table name. Function name is also here. You need to select 1 and 2 step. When you select a 1 step, then whenever you are creating entries, then within a single step only multiple entries are allowed. But when you select 2 step, then first you create the first entry. After that, when you click on next, then the second entry page will be displayed. After that, here there is a create button. You need to create it and save it. So go back. In this way your TMG is created. So see, go on T code, that is SM30 /O SM30. See, I do edit, give your table name here, do edit, and whatever the entries we have done, these entries are displayed here. We can also create it from here also. That's why we have created a TMG without doing any coding part. We can do our entry. And next step, how to create a transaction code for the same custom table. So creation of transaction code, T code is SC93. Here you need to give a transaction code, whatever the name you can give, but you are creating a custom transaction code. That's why first clicker should be start with Z or Y. Click on create and create a transaction code. After that, here you need to check on this skip initial screen, and in place of transaction you need to give SM30 because you want to maintain a SM30 value. That's why you need to pass in the place of transaction SM30 because you are maintaining the SM30 transaction here now. That's why. And after that you need to check on these 3: SAP GUI for HTML, SAP GUI for Java, SAP GUI for Windows. After that you need to pass here the name of screen field is view name, and in case of value you need to pass your custom table name. And after that you want to show value only, then show and give in place of value X. You can also give update when you change it here, like in this way. I want update, so click on update, save it, go back, change it. So go on SM30. We have pass in place of value update. That's why here giving an option of update. We can select the option like this way. Here I have do in the place of first name Aditya and save it. Data was saved. So we can do CRUD, update, insert, delete through front-end part without do any coding part, because in production system even the developer are also not have access to do entries through SC11. That's why we must need to create a TMG, table maintenance generator. This is the reason we have created table maintenance generator. That's all about today. In further class we will discuss more. What we have learned today, we have learned how to create a custom table and how to create a TMG for the same custom table, and also how to create a transaction code. If we create transaction code, then we can see our table through command field, directly through command field without the use of SC11. And that's all about today. For further class we will discuss more. Thank you.